Hello and welcome! Today, I'm excited to introduce you to e-fish solutions from eBottli. The global food and seafood industry is changing rapidly. For Australian seafood producers, as tuna, traceability and transparency are now essential, from catch to consumer. With increasing international focus on food safety and provenance, overseas countries, along with the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, FAO, are promoting technology-driven traceability systems. Producers are now expected to provide accurate, accessible information on the origin, handling, and safety of food products, ensuring transparency from catch to consumer. But here's the challenge. Supply chains are complex. Fish and tuna travel from oceans to processing facilities, packaging, and export markets. Traditional paper records are slow, error-prone, and often inaccessible. Producers face different compliance requirements in multiple markets, while consumers demand trust and transparency. One answer is mobile QR and RFID traceability. This technology captures every stage of the supply chain, from harvest or production through processing, packaging, and distribution, in real time. How can producers ensure full traceability, compliance, and consumer confidence across complex seafood and food supply chains? With a simple scan from a RFID or infrared Android device, such as a Zebra, QR and RFID codes instantly provide detailed data. Catch location, storage and refrigeration logs, metrics such as length and weight, packaging and export documentation. eBottli provides a SaaS platform and mobile applications to manage every batch of fish, seafood, livestock, or food product. This includes harvest data, seafood tracking, processing and portion tracking, supply chain monitoring, packaging and export records. All this ensures end-to-end traceability and regulatory compliance while protecting product quality and consumer trust. For producers, the benefits extend beyond compliance and quality assurance. Every scan provides insights: where the fish are moving, which markets are engaging, and how the supply chain performs. This data drives smarter decisions, reduces waste, and improves operational efficiency. For southern bluefin tuna and fish producers exporting to Asia, the US, and Europe, eBottli future-proofs your supply chain. Your products stay compliant today and adaptable tomorrow as regulations change. Traceability isn't just about regulations. It's about trust, transparency, and connection with every buyer. With mobile QR and RFID traceability, every batch becomes fully trackable. Every producer decision is based on facts. Every product tells a story. Every consumer gains confidence. Welcome to the next generation of seafood and food traceability for Australian producers. Smart, compliant, and transparent. Contact us for custom QR RFID solutions, mobile apps, and SaaS integration. Your traceability is no longer static. It evolves with your supply chain. From ocean to consumer, every step is visible, secure, and sustainable. Have a great day!